Congratulations, you're using the best self-study CPE site online, rated 4.9 out of 5 stars by thousands of our CPAs. My name is Tad Stevens, and as the director of CPEthink.com, I know you're busy. I'm going to be thorough and concise reviewing today's course. This video will be quick, and if you stick around, I'll give you a coupon to get some CPE on us just for watching. First, a quick intro video, and then we'll get to it. Today, I want to talk about our accounting tools and metrics for the CFO course ID number 1459. This course was originally written by Dr. J.K. Shim, who is an extremely prolific writer in the accounting CPE space and accounting textbook space. Lots of textbooks, articles, CPE courses. Dr. Shim was extremely prolific, and we have had and published many of his courses over the years and love them. So you can see this course is about 207 pages long. It's 16 credit hours. It's got 96 review questions and 80 final exam questions. It is a one-stop problem solver for today's busy accounting executive. The course is a working guide to help you quickly pinpoint the complex world of business, what to look for, what to do, what to watch out for, and how to do it. You'll find ratios, formulas, guidelines, rules of thumb to help you analyze and evaluate any business-related problem. Throughout this course, throughout, you'll find this course practical, quick, and useful. Okay, I'm going to skip the rest of the description and head on down to the release date, which was in 2020, about 2 years ago. As of this video, it was revised as of the 19th of January in 2022, so it is fully up to date as of this video. It is in the accounting and auditing fields of study for most states, or in the accounting field of study for NASBA. And in Chapter 1, you will identify the objectives of financial reporting and the key elements contained within different financial statements, recognize the purpose and content of the statement of cash flows, identify key sections contained within the annual report, and recognize issues addressed by the Sarbanes-Oxley Act and the groups impacted by it. Chapter 2, you will recognize key financial ratios and how they can be used, calculate the value for the different financial ratios, recognize the relationship between margin and turnover, compare return on investment, or ROI, and recognize how it can be improved. In Chapter 3, we'll look at internal accounting applications for your company, which will recognize the concept of economic value added, or EVA, and how it can be improved, recognize the major elements of the budgeting process, identify different attributes and uses of variance analysis and as a control device, recognize how accounting systems work, including activity-based costing, life cycle costing, and target costing. Recognize the value of a balanced scorecard approach. Chapter 4, we will look at cost, volume, profit analysis, operating leverage, and discounting analysis, which will include recognize the value of cost, volume, profit, or CVP analysis in solving business problems. Identify some applications of present discounting and future compound values. Chapter 5 will be capital budgeting, where we will recognize the uses of capital budgeting and identify the different techniques used to evaluate business investments and their applications. In Chapter 6, which is going to be about asset management, financing techniques, and portfolio theory, we'll look at recognizing the key elements that affect working capital and cash management, identify how different investment criteria and managing assets, such as expected returns, risk, and diversification, recognize the capital asset pricing model, or CAPM, and the arbitrage pricing model, APM. And in Chapter 7, we will look at long-term debt and equity financing, which will include identify the process of investment banking, recognize issues for venture capital financing, recognize examples of types of long-term debt and their usefulness, and identify examples of equity securities. Chapter 8, which will be about decision making with forecasting. We'll look at recognize the components of a forecast and what it predicts, identify various forecasting methods. Chapter 9 will be the evolving world of accounting. Kind of a wrap up, if you will, which will identify components of an accounting information system, recognize the purpose of extensible business reporting language, XBRL, and identify the impact of the emerging technologies on the accounting processes. This will not get into blockchain with cryptocurrency and things like that. We do have courses specifically on that, but it will not be covered in this course if that's what you're looking for. So to summarize, this course has been designed in a question and answer format in order to address the pertinent issues that come up during the course of business. The questions are typical of those asked by persons like the student taking this course. The answers are clear, concise, and to the point. In short, this is a veritable cookbook of guidelines, illustrations, and how-tos for you, the modern decision maker. Any questions, let us know by clicking the chat icon down here in the lower right. If you'd like to purchase this course or add it to your account, just click Add to Cart to purchase, and it will put it up here in your shopping cart, which you can click and follow the prompts to check out. Or if it's a subscription, it will add it to your account. Either way, you can begin the course immediately. You can have the course and the exam open at the same time for an open book course, and which is totally okay with NASBA and the AICPA and your State Board of Accountancy. And as I said, any questions, let us know.
I hope you like this video. If you'd like more, tap or click subscribe and the bell. Leave a comment or a question and let us know what you think. We reply to all of them. Remember that promise I made at the beginning? How about free CPE just for watching? Go to cpethink.com/video3. That's cpethink.com/video3. Use the $15 one-time use coupon code that you see on that page. It's good for courses and unlimited subscriptions. That means over 100 CPE credit courses to choose from for free. See you in the next video.